Okay, so today's experiment is on gratitude, but I'm thinking that if we have just an empty bottle and a balloon, and we put the balloon over the bottle, but nothing inside, the balloon's not going to inflate. So that's sort of like gratitude. If we don't have God in our lives, then we've got nothing to be grateful about. So God is going to be the part that we're going to pour in the bottle. We can sort of say that we are the bottle, and the balloon is gratitude, but we need God to help us to be grateful and to be thankful for. So the part that we're going to pour in the bottle is, I would like to think, our reliance on God, on helping us to become thankful and grateful, to be thankful to God, because without God we're nothing, and without God we can't be grateful or we can't be thankful. So let's see if this experiment is going to work. The experiment is called Impossible Possibilities. So we've got a bottle, we've got a balloon, we need warm water, which is in here, we need some dry yeast, which is in here, and we need some white sugar. So now I don't know if it's going to work or not. So let's see what the instruction says. And the Bible connection to this experiment is from 1 Timothy chapter 1 verses 15 to 17. Okay, so first things first, we need to mix some yeast and sugar in some warm water. So I'm going to triple the ingredients in this experiment. So it says 1 tablespoon of yeast, but we're going to do 3 tablespoons of yeast. Okay, so I hope you guys can count and help me with this. So this is not quite 1 in here, so I have to fill up the spoon. Oh, I'm opening up it's just yeast everywhere. Okay, so right, so 1 tablespoon of yeast. The bag doesn't quite fill up everything, so you'll have to bear with me. There's going to be yeast all over the place. This goes everywhere. 2 tablespoons of yeast. Okay, and we need, hopefully, I can count. We've done 2, we need 1 more. 3 tablespoons, or it's not quite 3, but I think it'll be okay. 3 tablespoons of yeast. We'll just try and empty out all the bags, and then we'll make up the 3. I think that should be fine. Okay, so the bags are empty, and we need 3 teaspoons of sugar. So off we go. 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of sugar, and we'll need 750 ml of warm water, and we're going to pour it in. There we go. And I'm going to get a spoon out of my kitchen here, and we're going to give it a nice whirl. Not nice to drink, not nice. Remember, they use yeast to make bread rise, so hopefully this mixture is going to make the balloon rise. Okay. Now we need to use a funnel, and we need to pour the mixture in the bowl. Now we're going to see if this balloon actually fits over the bottle. Now the thing is to see whether or not the balloon actually will rise. I'll give it a whirl and see if this actually does inflate. I'm just going to try and cover the whole bottle with the balloon. Let's see if it inflates. Oh, look at that, guys. Things are happening. The balloon is starting to inflate. Might have to. Shake it up a bit. Ah, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. The balloon is starting to inflate. We might have to give it a couple of more minutes. So this is 5 minutes after we finished filming the last segment. So that's how I expanded. It took 5 minutes to expand. And as it gets any bigger, we'll film it and then we will just show you. That is not an instant thing, but gratitude is lifelong and thankfulness is lifelong. Okay. Okay, this is after 12 minutes. Wow, look at this. This is 20 minutes later, but look how the yeast is rising and it is going to fill up the balloon. So our gratitude and God's filling us up with gratitude and it's going into us. So we'll keep you posted. So this is the 20-minute mark and we're hoping that the balloon's going to get bigger than this, but this is the first time I'm doing a science experiment. So yep, let's wait and see. But I'm very excited to see what's going to happen very, very soon. Okay, signing out for now.